Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno7, and today I'll show you how you can copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up your standalone contacts application, which for me is right over here. Now once you have this open, click on the three bars right here and then select Settings. At the bottom you will find Import option, and from here you can select where you want to import your contacts from. Now I'll be selecting SIM card, and this will then display all your contacts that are on the SIM card. By default they should all be selected. If you already own some of these contacts, meaning that they are already imported to your device, or you maybe inserted them manually, if the phone detects the same number, it will gray out the contact and deselect it, so you cannot select it again. So keep that in mind. Additionally, you can obviously deselect contacts that you don't want, and from there select Import. This will give you the amount of contacts that have been imported, and when you go back you should be able to see them right over here. And that is how you can import your contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.